In this video, you will learn how to find books using the library's catalog. Begin your search by accessing the Books/Catalog link on the library's homepage. There are two ways to search. You can search via keywords using the box in the center of the page, or you can click on the AI-assisted search to use natural language. If your research question were how does screen time affect children, a keyword search would look for just screen time and children, whereas the natural language search could use this entire question. Use the system filters to simplify your search results. Held by a library will display books physically located in the library, while online will show eBooks and online journals. Books located physically in the library will have location information like at the bottom of this screen. Use the alphanumeric call number to locate books in the library stacks. On the other hand, when you have an ebook, you will need to be signed into the system to click the View Online links. The link to log in is in the top right corner. Use your Polk State email credentials to sign in. If this is a resource that you want to use for a research project, you can use the citation tool to generate MLA or APA citations for your works cited. For additional help, visit the library's website or ask a librarian.